Step up in basis disclaimers. What to say, not tax advice. Welcome. In this short lesson, we'll demystify the step up in basis so you understand the big picture without drowning in tax jargon. Our goal is to explain the concept clearly and practically while staying purely informational. This is not tax advice. You'll learn what the term means, why people care about it, and how to talk about it responsibly. We'll also share safe, standard disclaimers you can use in emails, presentations, or client conversations. By the end, you'll sound confident and careful. Exactly what professionals need when discussing tax-sensitive topics. A step-up in basis is a tax concept where an asset's cost basis resets to its fair market value at the owner's death. That reset changes how future capital gains are calculated if the asset is later sold. For example, if a stock was bought for 100 and is worth 300 at death, the new basis may become 300. So only gains above 300 could be taxed when sold. This can reduce taxable gain, but the exact outcome varies. Rules differ by country, and treaties may influence results for cross-border families or investors. Tax rules, especially cross-border, are complex, nuanced, and change over time. Two people with similar assets can face very different outcomes due to residency, citizenship, holding structure, or timing. Because no video can capture every detail, using clear disclaimers sets expectations. This is general information, not a personal plan. Disclaimers build trust, signal professionalism, and encourage viewers to verify specifics with experts. In short, they keep learning safe and keep you credible while still delivering practical insight. Use straightforward phrases that protect clarity without sounding scary. Try, "This is general information, not tax advice." Add, "These points may not apply to your situation," which reminds people that facts drive outcomes. Close with, "Please consult a qualified tax professional before making decisions." These 3 lines work well in slides, emails, webinars, and proposals. They're short, respectful, and establish that you're sharing guidance for education, not prescribing a course of action. When international rules are in play, acknowledge complexity up front. Useful lines: jurisdictions treat basis differently, which flags that local laws vary. Treaty provisions can override basics, reminding listeners that bilateral agreements can change expected results. And timing, residency, and asset type matter, which covers common variables: when a move happened, where someone is taxed, and whether the asset is shares, real estate, or a fund. These phrases keep your message accurate without diving into country-by-country specifics. Here's a model statement you can adapt. Some estates receive a basis step-up on inherited assets, potentially affecting future capital gains. Then, add scope. Availability depends on local law and status, including residency, asset location, and treaty outcomes. Finally, give a prudent next step. Seek advice before planning or selling to understand implications for your situation. This wording is clear, accurate, and cautious, balancing helpful context with the reminder that personal facts drive tax results. Avoid sounding absolute. Don't make guarantees or claim one-size-fits-all rules. They rarely exist in tax. Skip unverified thresholds. It's always tax-free up to X, unless you cite reliable, current sources in a formal context. Steer clear of personalized recommendations like, "You should sell now," unless you're a qualified advisor engaged for that purpose. These pitfalls create risk and confusion. Staying general, precise, and sourced keeps your guidance useful and professional. Before you hit send or present, 1. Define the concept in plain language, then immediately disclaim general info, not advice. 2. Note variables: country, treaty, residency, timing, and asset type. 3. Invite professional advice before any action. If you follow this flow, you'll explain the step-up in basis clearly, avoid overpromising, and help your audience make informed next steps with a qualified expert. Thanks for watching. Stay curious and stay careful.